Ever wondered which are the best states for homesteading in the U.S.? Homesteading, a lifestyle of self-sufficiency, is growing in popularity as more and more people seek to live off the grid. It's about being able to cultivate your own food, generate your own power, and create a life that's uniquely yours. So if you're fascinated by the idea of carving out your own little corner in the world, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into the top states for homesteading in the U.S. First on our list is Alaska. A land of extremes, Alaska is a homesteader's dream with its vast, untouched wilderness. With plenty of available land, it's a prime location for those looking to go completely off-grid. But it's not for the faint-hearted. The climate can be harsh with long, frigid winters and short, intense summers. Potential challenges include isolation and limited access to resources. However, for those brave enough to face these hurdles, despite the challenging climate, Alaska offers a unique homesteading experience. Moving on to the heartland, we have Missouri. Homesteading in the Show Me State is a wonderful choice for many reasons. Abundant and fertile soil provides the perfect foundation for a bounty of crops. Missouri's land and property prices are notably low, presenting an accessible opportunity for aspiring homesteaders. Additionally, the state offers a favorable climate for farming, with a balance of warm summers and cool winters. Missouri, with its affordability and farm-friendly climate, is certainly a top choice. Next up, we head to the scenic landscapes of Idaho. A gem in the Northwest, Idaho is rich in natural resources, making it a homesteader's paradise. Imagine having access to fertile soils, clean rivers, and dense forests at your doorstep. With a low population density, you'll have room to breathe and the freedom to live off the grid. And let's not forget about the outdoor recreation. Hunting, fishing, hiking, Idaho offers it all. Idaho is a fantastic choice for those who love the great outdoors. Heading to the southeast, we find Tennessee. This state is a gem for homesteaders looking to live off-grid. Blessed with a mild climate, Tennessee offers 4 distinct seasons without extreme temperatures. This makes it ideal for a wide variety of crops. The state's rich, fertile soil is another tick in the box for aspiring homesteaders. But perhaps the crown jewel of Tennessee homesteading is its strong, supportive community, always ready to lend a helping hand or share valuable advice. Tennessee is a haven for homesteaders, thanks to its supportive community and excellent growing conditions. Last but not least, we journeyed to the northeastern state of Maine. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, Maine offers a serene setting for those seeking an off-grid lifestyle. With a low cost of living compared to many coastal states, it's an affordable choice for homesteaders. The state's rich soil and abundant wildlife provide ample opportunities for sustainable living. From farming to fishing, Maine's natural resources offer an idyllic backdrop for a self-sufficient lifestyle. Maine's beauty and affordability make it a top choice for homesteading. These are just a few of the best states for homesteading in the U.S. From the rugged wilderness of Alaska, where the spirit of self-sufficiency is alive and well, to Missouri's generous land and lenient building codes, we've journeyed across the country exploring some of the most appealing spots for homesteading. We've discovered the rich soil and affordable land of Idaho, marveled at Tennessee's favorable climate and low cost of living, and admired Maine's stunning landscapes and robust support for small-scale farming. But our journey doesn't end here. There's a whole country out there, brimming with opportunities for those who yearn for a simpler, more self-sustaining lifestyle. Each state has its own unique charm, its own set of advantages and challenges, and what works for one homesteader might not work for another. So whether you're drawn to the wild beauty of Alaska, the fertile lands of Idaho, the welcoming community of Missouri, the affordability of Tennessee, or the eco-friendly ethos of Maine, it's important to remember that the best state for homesteading is ultimately the one that fits your unique needs and goals. Consider the climate, the cost of living, the availability of resources, and the community. Do your research, visit different states, talk to other homesteaders, and listen to your heart. Remember, the best state for homesteading is the one that fits your unique needs and goals. Happy homesteading!